Hi, Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions. Get your memories off the internet, off your phone, and out of the boxes. Using your photos to make a photo book is the perfect way to get your memories back into your hands. Passing around a beautiful book or even photo album is much more gratifying than scrolling on your phone without actually being able to find the pictures you want. And Save Your Photos Month is the perfect time to get started on your book project. Better yet, we have some free classes to help you. You can sign up at saveyourphotos.org. Starting now for the holidays, we'll give you time to actually finish your project. And it does take time. 70% of photo books get abandoned in cart because the deadline passed or they hit technical difficulties or frustrations. So give yourself the time you need to complete your photo book project. If you need help or you just want someone to do it for you, consider hiring a certified photo manager. You can always set up a consultation with me as well. If you have questions, put them in the comments below so that I can help you use your photos to tell your story so they will last for generations.